There have been no unexplained sudden deaths in Barbados this year. This assurance comes from acting senior medical officer with responsibility for surveillance and environmental health, Dr. Arthur Phillips. He was speaking amid public concern about the number of relatively young people who died unexpectedly. He told Nation News the Ministry of Health was satisfied that all cases of sudden deaths for the year were from the usual causes.
We looked at the deaths that would have been referred to the coroners for investigation, so those would have been sudden and unexplained, or unexplained otherwise. So we looked at those in individuals under the age of 60 for the period 2015 and 2016, for January to June, the middle of June, to compare, to look at what had been happening, and we are comfortable that the figures are similar. We also looked specifically, as Dr. George would have said, at situations in which there was a concern about the cause of death in recent times, to satisfy ourselves that we understand what the causes of death were in the situations in which there may have been some expressed concern as to whether these deaths were unexplained or not. And I think we've been able to satisfy ourselves that there are no unexplained deaths, and that the rates of death for the periods, the rates of deaths due to the causes of sudden death for the comparable period are pretty much the same. So we're comfortable with that information. As would have been indicated in the ministry's release, we will continue to monitor and to do further work in looking at the information for completeness, but certainly based on the information that we've been able to look at, we can speak with a level of confidence that there isn't something. The thing that is different is the reporting, so that there would have been sudden deaths occurring in 2015, but these would not have been reported. Matter of fact, there were sudden deaths in 2016 that were not reported. But it just so happens that there were sudden deaths reported in 2016 that caught the imagination of the public, and that's understandable. That when there's more reporting, people assume that it means that there's more of something happening. But we actually went back to the records to see what the situation was, and as a result, we are comfortable with the picture.